Amazing sari. Namaste everyone, I'm Namrata and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you must have read from the title, in today's video, I'm sharing my sari collection, which is a mix of elegant, bold and some timeless pieces, which I have actually brought with me here in the UK from India. Now let me give you a quick backstory. I have been in love with saris ever since I was a child, and the main reason behind this is my mummy. My mummy wore saris for work every single day. And a fun fact, when I was in school, I got an opportunity to act in a play for which I had to dress up in a sari, and this was for like 10 to 11 days, and that's when my obsession for saris really began. Over time, I have built a small but meaningful collection of saris. Some of them I have bought, some of them are designed by me, and some of them are of course stolen/borrowed from my mama's wardrobe. And the reason why I'm making this video right now is A, there's going to be a wedding/festive season very soon, and B, it's sale season right now in India. So if you're someone who is, wanting to purchase your first sari, or you just want to restock some saris for yourself, this video might just give you some insights on what kind of fabric, what kind of color you would like to have in your next sari. Also, if you have watched my fashion hacks video, you would know that I am a warm autumn color palette. So you will see a lot of earthy tones in today's video. These shades really complement my skin tone, and I think my sari shopping game is just going to get better because of this whole color wheel situation. So whether you're looking for some sari inspiration or styling some looks in sari for the upcoming festive season or wedding season, this sari lookbook will definitely help you for your main character vibes. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends and family, and also comment down which sari from today's video is your favorite. And now, without any further bud, let's dive right in. For the first sari, I have got this timeless orange semi-paithani sari. This one is very special for me as this one is from my mama's wardrobe. And it's a semi-Paithani silk. Now, let me know if you are from Maharashtra and if you like Paithanis. I love Paithanis. Mala Paithani खूप आवडते. And if you love Paithani, stay tuned till the end because I have something to show you. Okay, coming back to this sari, this is a beautiful orange, not so orange, but good kind of orange colored sari with a very pretty border. Now this border is again the classic Paithani border with the green shades. This is that perfect leaf green sort of green, which is good to give you that pop of color. This is the entire body of the sari, and then this is how the pallu looks like. Since it's a semi Paithani, you will not get the handloom kind of finish. This is how it looks like अंदर से. Mummy got this sari in 2007 or 8 and तब से लेके आज तक मैंने ये साड़ी काफ़ी बार पहनी है. ये इतनी प्यारी है, इतने प्यार से आपके बॉडी को हक कर लेगी, which is why I just love this saree. बहुत पुरानी है, but I still love it. It is very Marathmori. Like comment down if you know what Marathmori means. इसके साथ अच्छी सी नथ पहनो, एक बन बनाओ बालों का, अच्छा सा गजरा लगाओ, and put some traditional Maharashtrian earrings, and oh my god, ये साड़ी ऐसी है जो सब पे अच्छी लगेगी. This is too good. This is the second sari. Let me tell you, all the saris that I'm showing you today are my favorite saris, and this one is the latest pick. Let me first show you the sari. This is a beautiful mustard yellow/golden sari. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. It drapes like a dream, and also it has got this amazing. It is silver border, which is why ये must ऐसे shine करती है. This is how the pallu looks like. It is not very fancy, so it is perfect for wedding guest lookbook because you don't want to overshadow the two main characters of the wedding. Sorry, two main people at the wedding. So I love this saree. और ये रात में दिन में इतनी अच्छी शाइन देती है. It is a very soft fabric, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से बैठती है आप पे. And if I think हर किसी के पास एक तो मस्टर्ड येलो/गोल्डन कलर की साड़ी होनी चाहिए फॉर दैट मेन कैरेक्टर वाइब्स. आई गॉट दिस साड़ी फ्रॉम a store called Kala Mandir from Thane, and they really have a very good collection. और वहाँ पे सेल भी है अभी, so check that store and you will find something or the other like at best price right now because of sale. If you have seen my 5 minutes get ready with me video, you would remember this saree. This is again from my mama's wardrobe and oh my god, इस साड़ी को 15 साल तो definitely हुए हैं, if not more, but इतनी पुरानी साड़ी है ये and the shine on this साड़ी is unmatched. मम्मी के पास और एक dark deep blue color की साड़ी है which is again very pretty साड़ी, वो मैंने पहनी थी और फिर वापस मम्मी को दे दी because it is that kind of साड़ी जो मम्मी को भी बहुत पसंद है. And this is also another blue साड़ी which is from my mama's wardrobe and I absolutely love. You can see how nicely it complements my skin tone and it has got a very nice shine. This is khadi cotton. It shines beautifully in sunlight and it is from the store called Hastakala from Thane. This is the pallu of the sari. Very pretty, very subtle yet elegant, and I think these kind of saris are very good for festive vibes as well as wedding guest vibes क्योंकि you are having that main character vibes but also not steal the thunder from the bride. ये सारी मेरे family में सबको पसंद है. Like my cousin wore it, I wore it, mama wears it. I love this sari. This is sari number 4 and I like to call it the influencer pink sari. I'll tell you the story behind this, but let me show you how it looks on me. It is this very pretty onion pink color. It is a soft Banarsi silk blend in this dreamy onion slash salmon pink. It's very light, elegant and flattering for both day and night. I have got so many compliments for this sari and people asked me where is it from and people actually ended up buying this exact sari in some different colors. This is how the pallu looks. I'm sorry the light has shifted because UK weather. But yeah, I hope you can still see how elegant this sari looks on me. It is one of those saris जो आपको young भी रखती है. It's very youthful but also gives you that main character energy, which is why I like this sari. And I have worn this sari for a day wedding and I have also worn this sari for a night wedding. And दोनों time पे ये साड़ी चमक रही थी. Like you could pick me from the crowd. It was that kind of sari. It's very minimal, graceful and very photo friendly. This is sari number 5. This one again is a soft Banarsi blend. I think I got this one for the color. मेरे पास कोई भी ऐसे golden या फिर copper gold kind of साड़ी नहीं थी. And when I saw this sari, I was like, मैं कभी ना कभी तो ये खरीदूंगी. And I actually got this on sale. और मैंने अब तक इसे किसी occasion के लिए पहना नहीं है. But I used this sari as a backdrop for Ganpati last year, and everybody loved it. Everybody was like, "What is this shiny piece of fabric?" And then I told them it's a sari. But I'm glad that I used this sari for Ganpati's decoration first, and now I can wear it. Puri body of the sari is like this, and iska pallu is also very similar. This is the pallu of the sari. Again, very subtle, not too much on your face, yet gives that main character vibes. My saris and my everything is very main character vibes. This is the kind of sari that's subtle but still makes you feel like royalty. It's a soft blend Banarsi in this pretty camel gold shade. It is very understated but elegant at the same time. The next sari is this beautiful golden slash yellow color. This one is a gift and is a pure Banarsi sari. This is the body of the sari. Puri sari is filled with this. पहले मुझे ऐसे देख के लगा था कि oh my god it is too much, but I wore this one for last year's Ganpati and बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. This is the pallu of the sari. It is not too much. It is very subtle yet elegant at the same time. The sari is from Kala Nidhi. I think this is again a store in Thane. It is very soft since it's a pure Banarsi silk. It is very soft and drapes like a dream. It is that kind of sari जो आप अपने very क्लोज फ्रेंड के शादी में पहन सकते हो या फिर यू नो दिवाली के दिन में अगर कोई भी इवेंट हो रहा है तो उसके लिए पहन सकते हो. और बहुत ही सुंदर है यार. मतलब ये कलर शायद मैं नहीं खरीदती बिकॉज आई वुड थिंक इट इज़ थोड़ा गॉडी, बट आई एम सो ग्लैड कि मुझे ये गिफ्ट में मिली एंड आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दिस साड़ी अ लॉट. ऑलराइट, we are on to the last sari and I must say that I saved the best for the last. This one is my favorite all-time favorite sari and it is from my royalty collection. I just want to name it royalty collection. This is one of those saris which I would like to pass on to my generations, and this one is none other than a Paithani sari. Now, if you are a Marathi or even if you are not a Marathi, you should have at least one Paithani in your collection. This is my first ever Paithani sari. Mama and I actually went for a sari shopping. हमारी family में शादी हो रही थी and I had just passed my class 10. तो मुझे काफ़ी vividly याद है. We had gone to this famous store in Dadar, Bharat Kshetra, and Mama wanted to get a Kanjivaram, and I was like, you know what, let me see if I can find a good Paithani. And the moment I saw this one, I was like, this is it. मुझे यही साड़ी चाहिए. This is a pure silk Paithani sari in this very pretty red pink color. It has traditional peacock Paithani pallu and the traditional border again. Very elegant and drapes like a dream, and it is one of the best saris I have ever had. For all my non-Marathi viewers, let me show you what is the speciality of Paithani saris. This here is the pallu of Paithani sari. Now you will see there's a band of peacocks, and then there are two different bands which has got golden zari intricate design. If you have to buy one sari from this entire video, get your hands on Paithani sari and you will thank me for the suggestion. This one is the best. And that's a wrap on my sari lookbook. I hope this video gave you some sari inspiration, whether you're dressing up for wedding season, festive season, or you just want to have a feel-good sari lookbook. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite sari from this entire video, or tell me which color made you feel like, oh, I need that. All the saris that I showed you today are perfect for that traditional Indian lookbook. But if you're someone who's looking for a modern touch to this traditional saris, or the saris for parties or cocktail nights, let me know in the comments below. I will make a part 2 of my sari collection which are perfect for your parties/cocktail nights. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share this with your sari girl gang, and for more such Indian fashion content, please subscribe right now. Until then, take care of yourself, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!